want to cook pad kapao tomorrow, you will go pick fresh chili by yourself and fresh basil by yourself, cut it by yourself, and then we can come down. We can come down, and I will teach you how to cook pad kapao.
So we drove out to Oy's farm, and it started pouring on us in the morning. So we went into her house. One of the girls that she took in made us a traditional Myanmar salad for breakfast, and we just sat and had coffee and talked about life. This is where they get all of the produce, fruits, vegetables, everything that they need for the sugarcane restaurant that's in Pai. Delicious food, all homemade. That's Oy's husband, Eric. He's a wonderful guy.
Time to check out this beautiful garden. Got banana trees.
So how many banana trees do you guys have?
Ooh, I think more than 100.
More than 100?
Yes.
They'll have one flower, one bunch of bananas, and then it's dead.
The tree dies.
Yeah, it's grass.
When we were at the elephant sanctuary, they told us that they grow incredibly quick because we were cutting them down just to feed the tree to the elephants. How fast do your banana trees grow? 3-4 months?
Yeah, 3-4 months.
3 to 4 months for a banana tree?
I don't really know, actually.
So these are papaya?
Yes, it's a papaya. Yeah,
That's cool.
that's a papaya, and yeah, we have the avocado tree.
So this bamboo that's planted down here is edible bamboo.
It's very good price in the market if you want to sell them, but I didn't want to sell them because the people like to come to my land to find the bamboo, so I grow it for them.
Oh,
Like the mother of pie.
yeah, she's the mother of pie.
your
She takes
name.
care of everybody.
My feeling because they come to my land because they want to find the bamboo, so why not just stop them right here, so they can feel free to take it. Yeah, no one.
Yeah,
gonna-
just a lot of
yeah.
people don't think like that.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
we try a different spot for the coffee.
That's coffee?
Yeah, this is a coffee
that's
tree.
so cool.
I try different spot for here because in the future I would like to make the my own coffee and homemade
I love
roasted coffee, just enough for the guests or the family that come to visit sugarcane family.
Absolutely.
Yes.
You guys got everything.
Yeah, and that's you need to try. We okay. Let me pick that.
Fresh tea.
So
What kind of tea leaves are these?
this one is butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah, butterfly pea flower. That's we make a tea. Thai basil, gla pao.
Oh, we need that for the pack of
Yeah.
pow, right?
Yeah, we need that for pad kapao. So we just can.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
So we use the 3 different kind of chili in the restaurant. So we kind of want to this hill to be the chili hill, and we have kawa there, pineapple.
Pineapple. Oh, or
Yeah.
there's the pineapple plants.
Yeah.
I love pineapple plants. Growing up, I never understood that the pineapple plant, it like just presents it to you. It grows it and it's just like a pineapple just sitting on a
Yeah.
little bush. So what chilies do you have in your restaurant? You said you grow 3 chilies.
Yeah,
What are
we
the
have
3
bell
chilies?
pepper
Bell pepper.
and the Thai long chili.
Thai long chili. Is that spicy?
No, not too spicy.
Okay.
And then the small chili that very spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah.
Watermelon. I love watermelon. The watermelon shakes here are amazing.
Ooh, there's two crazy ones. Here.
That's nuts.
Whoa. What? It's so cool to be able to experience this and to see this. It's a true homegrown family business.
Yeah. It's called pai bats, forest bamboo. It is hard to cut. It has spikes on it. We've cut most of it back.
Yeah, it was showing me the spikes.
They go through tires. Like they have no problem going through a tire. It stops growing.
Does it grow fast?
Oh yeah. It grows fast and vicious, and it will take over space. It grows out by the roots. It grows through concrete.
It grows through concrete.
Yeah. Bamboo is not, it's not like, oh, pretty bamboo. It's like, oh, I'm bamboo. Coffee plant. So you can see these are
Those
beans.
are red.
Yeah, these are about ready to be picked.
So you pick them when they're red.
So, yeah, you pick them when they're red. And then the cherry, and then inside of it, oop, just squirted one out. That's what you roast. And this you can actually make a tea out of as well.
So it's like the fruit around the
Coffee cherry,
seed.
yeah.
Coffee cherry.
Yeah, that's what they call them. So it's the beans that you can kind of see the.
Yeah, you can see the structure of it.
You can feel it. They're real slick. They're covered in like a
jelly.
And you gotta let that jelly get off of it first.
So these are mango trees, and that's a jackfruit tree. Eric was showing me how to cut down with a machete. What's it called again?
Meat.
Meat. Is machete in Thai.
And there's all kinds of different ones too. If you're gonna go into grass, they've got ones that have a little hook on them. Those are just great for, you can pull
it in.
Yeah, this is really good because it's got the extra heavy weight for getting into wood.
Trees and stuff.
Yeah. That is not illegal.
I was gonna say, is that illegal?
This is, yeah.
What is this? Oh, lime.
Yeah.
Wait, are certain tools illegal?
Yeah, chainsaws are illegal in Thailand because of the illegal logging that would be conducted, and it's a lot easier to hear chainsaws than machetes and axes and stuff.
So that makes sense a little bit.
Yeah, they just because they do try to protect the forests, and there is illegal logging, and the teak in particular. When you take teak through a checkpoint, they'll check that you have to have a card for every teak tree you harvest. It traces its lineage. It's the hardwood of the area. It's incredibly good with water. You make boats and stuff out of it, and nautical stuff. It's incredibly dense. Like you pick up a pine 2x4. I mean a teak 2x4. The same thing probably weighs about 4 or 5 times as much.
Really?
It's like denser than oak. It's solid.
That's good wood.
You just pop it?
Yep, pop it.
Oh! Look at that.
Yeah. So you miss it.
That's amazing.
Korean.
This is durian? I've never had it.
Yeah.
It smells, so I didn't eat, but they say it's good. I've never had it.
We need to try it, but we're gonna try the good one, the not like a soft one. Because smells so bad because they go too soft.
Ah.
My favorite is they like a
It's
crispy outside, soft inside, and you didn't get the smell.
okay. I want to try. Me and Garrett, neither of us have ever
When
tried
we're in
it.
Chiang Mai, we will try that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at these peppers. That looks spicy.
Yeah, you can pick it. Really.
Okay.
The very green, that's more spicy.
Oh.
Not too spicy.
Not too spicy.
Yeah.
So how many for medium spice?
Medium spice, I think will be 4.
4?
Yeah, 4. We need to
Green
try
bean.
that
Thank you.
from the tree.
So when the coffee beans are ready to pick, they turn red like that.
Yeah, he was showing me.
Crazy.
Yeah, did you see?
Yeah.
It's amazing. And he said that you can actually make tea.
From the cherry, right?
Yeah, so this is called the coffee cherry, right? And then
You pop it.
And you can see the structure of the coffee bean.
Interesting.
It looks like actual just coffee beans,
Yeah.
just white.
Oh.
And they're covered in
Slimy.
this slime, yeah.
yeah.
Then you have to soak in water, and then you have to peel the
Peel
skin
the
out.
membrane type
Yes.
thing?
There's two.
Those
there's
peas
two,
are delicious.
And then you can
Yeah,
actually make a.
you pick from
we've
the
never had it. But
tree.
you can make a.
Amazing.
out of
That's
this
why
too.
in the restaurant
There's
you
a
pick from
Yemeni
the tree
drink
and
that
send in the morning.
It's probably got all kinds of
And
health
you
benefits.
It's
day.
so fresh.
Oh, you need this for anti-cancer. You're like, no, I need. Do you guys have What's
Hey,
the
Papa.
mushroom?
Remember we
Oh,
we
no,
have
yeah, the turkey tail mushrooms. I don't know what they call them in, I forget what they call them here. But we went to a village north of Chiang Mai, and they grow them. They say that they use them for cancer. They put them in a tea, boil them, and stuff like that.
And he's heard of it before.
From mycologists, because I'm interested in mycelium and fungi.
Yeah.
But it was cool to see it. So like you
Yeah.
hear about something online and you listen to someone talk about it, and then you go to a village where they're
And
they're
you
growing
see it.
opium and cannabis to help like with just like medical stuff. 'Cause
Yeah,
they don't
yeah.
have a hospital, and they're growing these mushrooms, and they're like, yeah, we use them to prevent cancer, and they grow
Yeah.
different herbs to prevent, you know, like blood pressure and stuff like that. And it's cool to see how people.
Head linjer, I think that's what you call it. Head linjer, yeah, mushroom, linjer mushroom.
Yes, it looks like it's
Tree
it's
bark.
big. It's and
Yes.
it's thick.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, linjer.
Linjer?
Yeah, linjer mushroom.
Linjer.
Yes, they make a medicine for that.
So you think about something like the poppy up here too, and the opium, and you say, okay, so you work hard in the fields, and then you're 60 years old, and there's no Tylenol.
No.
But
No.
guess what? My back doesn't hurt anymore.
And that's what he said. He's like, when your body hurts, you use it, and it's like it's something natural, and it's just.
It's the why for everything, right? If you're looking to abuse a drug, you're gonna abuse a drug. But if you need medicine and you need relief, then it's not the opium of America, the drug crisis. It's more of just like people trying to live, and people trying to get through their day. And
Hey, look, I've got natural painkiller. It's in
Right?
this flower.
kratom is illegal.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Illegal.
Well, in the U.S., it's legal because it's not
Yeah?
something that anyone really ever thought about. And then people import it into the U.S.
Oh
So
my
you go
God.
to like a little smoke shop and you can get kratom. I've never tried it, but I remember researching it because I was like, "What is this
Yeah.
kratom?" And it said
It's
that it was from
like
Thailand.
Yeah, it's like marijuana.
Oh,
I remember when I was young, and have to be the hard worker in the farm.
Mhm.
The thing we have the tree, and yeah, my daddy just pick and chew it
Yeah.
and make you work hard.
Well, that makes sense. So if you're using it to
Yeah, for
get
working.
through hard
Yeah.
work.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
The
When
problem is in the
farmer-
U.S. people are going to be using it just to get high.
Yes.
These people are so kind and generous with their time and with their home, with everything that they have, you know, and not mine, but it's about the community and it's about family and giving as much as possible instead of just taking and hoarding. And Oya and her husband, Eric, personify what it is to be a good human. And I feel very thankful to be able to spend the day with them. We are going to cook pad kapow. We picked our own chilies and our own fresh Thai basil. We're going back to the restaurant now. See you there.